shit is bright. What the hell?
I'll be able to drive it. We can get this thing going.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Low Tech. It is now the day after the show. I'm still in disbelief about that show. It was a great time. The support was real. I saw a lot of people rocking Teclo merch. I thought that was fucking crazy to me. I guess I don't realize how much impact I have on people until I go to events like this and I see how much people like rock with me. And it's fucking crazy to me, and it's so humbling. I seriously appreciate you guys so much. I don't mean to get all cheesy and all, but I don't know, just thank you guys. I'm still in disbelief. Like, that's fucking crazy to me. Vegas, thank you guys for having me. It was a blast. But anyways, for this video, we're probably gonna finish my clutch later on, but right now I got a new package from Amazon. I don't know if you guys can see. New Amazon package. I got LED bulbs. These are for the cluster because the lights on the cluster suck ass. I can't see shit at nighttime, so I'm gonna be changing the bulbs on the cluster. And I got LED bulbs for these up here, the dome lights. I made a separate list on my Amazon account, so you guys want to check it out. It's in the description. It's 300ZX parts and 350Z parts. Stuff that I'm ordering for this car. So if you guys are interested, you guys can just check it out and order from there. Oh, and I also got a butt plug for the windshield wiper because I have a little chode sticking out. I don't know how well you guys can see it. Let me zoom in really quick. I know I'm still missing my interior pieces back there. We'll get it soon. There it is. See that little choke sticking up? The windshield wiper? Well, I got a plug for it that I ordered from Amazon as well. I guess I can show you guys what it looks like before I swap them out. Hold on. There it is. So that's the ugly yellow lights. Holy shit, that shit is bright. Let's put this cover back on. Boom. Goodbye, ugly yellow light. Time to remove this little chode. So, to remove this, pretty easy. 10mm bolts here, holding it. Disconnect it. And should be straightforward. Let's get to it. Just remove the little grommet that I had there. So this is what it looks like. What the hell? You guys remember this being shaved off? That's crazy. It looks so much better. And he was able to fix his mounting point here. What the hell? That's crazy. Oh, and I got that lip painted, that OEM gray that comes on the Nismos. I had to do it. It's gonna look better on the new color that I'm wrapping it. I'm excited. Sorry for the wind noise, guys. Damn, I'm fucking happy about that. That's crazy. My dude killed it. Shout out to Vital, I swear. I'm gonna just strap this down. The over fenders are definitely going inside. There's no way I'm having them back here. I just put the over fenders on just because I don't want to lay them around, but so smooth. These are ready to wrap. And the bumper's ready, obviously. Got that OEM Nismo gray on there. Because like I said, the new color is gonna look good with this. I'm excited. It's gonna look fucking sick. All we gotta do now is get the bleeder valve, which I'll come back later and do. And then
I'll be able to drive it and we can get this thing going. Now, let's close up the shop and get out of here.
All right, I'm back. I know it was a short amount of time, but your boy is back at the lab. I'm just gonna finish up putting on these over fenders. So happy how smooth they are. Came out perfect. I'm gonna finish putting up all that hardware back on. Alright, got the over fenders all put on, tying all these screws up. The original plan was to take it part by part to get wrapped, but I feel like it would just be easier if I just took the whole damn car, so that's what I'm gonna do. I still gotta finish unwrapping this, but I'll unwrap this when I finish the trans. So for now, I'm gonna leave it red. Oh, I'm gonna miss that red, it's so nice. It's weird, when I first got this wrap, it's a Dragon Fire Red by 3M. When I first got this wrap, it looked orange, and I was a little disappointed on the color, but after it sitting in the sun for a while, it actually got a lot more redder. It was weird, but yeah, it looks good. I love it. It's a nice red. Dragon Fire Red. Remember that if you guys want to get that wrap. It's really good. I liked it, but it's time for a change. My boy already brought the bleeder valve, but we don't have Teflon tape, and we need Teflon tape to put it around the bleeder valve before we put it back in, because yeah, this thing needs Teflon tape. Focus, and there it is. Yeah, it needs Teflon tape before we put it on there, because we don't want it leaking. I'm gonna have to put the side skirts back on too, which I don't know if I'll do it today. Maybe, we'll see. I don't know. I was gonna put the rear bumper on today, but I need these. I have these at home. These little, I can't think of the name right off the top of my head. I forgot what they're called, but I have more of these at home, and I need them so I can put like a 10mm bolt in there, because I don't have any 10 mils here. I don't know where they went. I don't know where George put them. He's the one that took the rear bumper off. So anyway, it doesn't matter. I have some at home, and I gotta put that on there to hold my my light here and the trunk button. Okay, so when I put these side skirts on, I did not drill out the pre-made holes on these right here to bolt it up from the bottom. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna drill these holes out because I want to properly install these. I kind of just half-assed it. I only drilled it from the sides, if you can see. So I'm gonna be doing that right now, because these have always been really loose. I've only had it mounted from the top 3 and the sides. So let's do that right now. Alright, I'm sitting here editing the vlog, and I just realized I did not film anything of me putting back the trans on with the bleeder valve. So we put everything on, put the bleeder valve on, everything went on smoothly. But when we went to bleed the clutch, it still wasn't getting any pressure, and turns out it was my pivot ball that the pitchfork lays on. I guess the thread stripped and it was just loose. It was getting pressure, but that's why it made it feel like it wasn't getting any pressure. So what we ended up doing was dropping the trans again and pulling that pivot ball out. And since it had a thick washer, which you guys will see in the next video, it had a thick washer and we had to get a smaller one. So we kind of ended it there. And after that, we went to... He wanted me to test out his car, which I didn't get any footage of me driving it, but I drove it and it was all right. It was a cool car to drive. I've never driven a 335i, so him letting me drive it was kind of a cool experience. Kind of, not really. I wouldn't own one of these cars. They're badass cars, I'm not gonna lie. I seen Adam LZ's single turbo 335, and that thing is fucking killer. So, but anyways, yeah. So then I started filming when he was driving. So here is that. God. Oh my god. Oh my god, you almost killed me there, sir. I started recording late. Oh shit. It's just quick. Oh fuck. I like it. It's scary. Oh shit! that's why it came on, or has it been on?
It's been on.
Fuck it. It's one way to get our mind off of our transmission, or my transmission. I should say ours, since we're always working on it.
Yeah. That was kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
That was really fun.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Stress reliever. You know, get your mind off things. Wait. Oh shit. God damn.
Kind of fun, huh?
Yeah, let me check your guys. You have now. Bitch, put your fucking clicker when you turn. Every typical BMW owner.
Bro, it's literally.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just talking shit. I'm just kidding. I love you. Is that carbon fiber?
Don't point it out.
Oh fuck.
Of course,
Oh shit. They're done or what?
check it out.
Really?
Yeah. 1,000 miles.
The fuck is this? Fuck.
You don't have a razor or something in there?
Yeah, I do. I might have, yeah.